today to cross-check regarding this work, because this work right now, if you see, there's all loose gravel and it's very dangerous for our bikers. PWD department said this is not our work. There's a new person who's come there, Mr. Hegde, who's handling Talegaon constituency. That's transferred केला त्याका. He's saying this is not my duty. This is sewage department's duty, sewage corporation. So I am sewage corporation phone करून इचारला, sir. I said किती आहे I said see the loose, see the work that is done. Who's the contract engineer over here? Who's taken this contract? Why such shabby work has been done? This is so dangerous for the public. And PWD minister म्हणता 10 years guarantee देता. Even when you go to the offices, they clearly say that this is all touch-up work which is done. They don't have proper system in place. Funds are not in place. So requesting Mr. PWD minister, simply don't say 10 years guarantee. First have a meeting with all your assistant engineers, with all the junior engineers. And insa teka ki technology कसली हा आता जाग्यार. New technology ha or old technology ha. What can be instant repairs being done? Because Goa is fed up of this road system. Sadan pothole ha, sadan unpainted speed breaker, sadan signboard damage ha, street light chalna, kitech hats problem. So why are the officers in charge not doing their job? We as a public also should support them by coming out and saying, sir, this is what needs to be done. तेका लागून आमी त्या PNIT app locate करता की problem किते हा, सगळे data करून handover करता. See, this is what public is giving you, and we are ready to come down on ground level and support. Pun department should come down and work. No, is this safe? Is this safe for the public, especially for our riders? आम्ही सगळे जण bike ride करता. Is this safe? Loose gravel. Tomorrow when our family members get injured or get, some problem happens, some accident happens, who is at loss? आमच्या फॅमिली लॉसान वयता. गव्हर्मेंट काय तरी कंपेन्सेशन काय पाडोर काय दिनात काम का. आमचे पैसे घेता. रोड टॅक्स भरपाक आमचे पैसे घेता. वोट सांबाळपाक फेक प्रॉमिस दिता. ॲक्सिडेंट जाता, आमचे फॅमिली मरता, कोर्टान केस घालपाक कोण फुडें सरता. मिडिया पासून सांगता पळयात कितें जाता. सगळे आमी म्हणटा घरान बरें आसा. इनफ इज इनफ. जागा तुमी जाय. टायम आमचो येयला आतां रस्त्यार झगडपाक. So please come down, work and support so that we can have our public's life in safe hands.
How dangerous it is when this build up?
You can clearly see, because when you ride on bikes, you totally shake on this and people have slipped on this. Loose drivers, you can even ask any of the traffic cell department how unsafe these roads are. Anything that doesn't have permanent structure is an unsafe road. Anything that is road, see this. This is our main road. But all this loose gravel काम केला आणि हिंगा चल्ला सगळे. They have not even taken this. This is the irresponsibility of our government or whoever's taken this contract is, they just need to do their job. सारखे केला, किती केला, कोण तरी check करता. Is there anyone who's an engineer who knows how much of tar that has to be into this workplace? Anyone is there in charge? Contractors come, do the work, they give a bill and chal. So why our tax money is just going wasted? Why is this happening?
Today you went as a PWD, so त्यांच्यानी किती म्हणला तुझं?
See, PWD this now. See that if you see everywhere in Goa, PWD work चालू हा, and आमचा road sewage work चालू हा. So when you go to a sewage department, they say, oh no, our work is not yet completed, so we cannot do the road. If you go to PWD department, they'll say no, sewage work is on, we cannot do our work. So the blame game is on. There is no coordination among what public requires. Say PWD is digging something, तो दुसरा रस्तो जो हा सारखे तरी करत. You see Shiolim, tell example Shiolim. That last 3-4 years, those people of Shiolim, that whole road is dug up. So requesting officials to give basic amenities. You all take taxes. We are always giving taxes on time. We are always filing returns on time. But what are we getting in return? Injured body, damaged vehicles, accidents on the roads, loss of family members. This is what we need after paying so much. That's why people are going abroad. And our government is saying, oh, they're gone abroad and they're talking extra and go. Because our own elected representatives are not doing their jobs. Because we elect people who are incapable of doing this job. We need people who are engineers, who are doctors, who are in the health center, who know the system, right, to come down on ground level and work for the people. Not sit in AC cabins and do their jobs and do their signature and say approved, approved, approved. Come down when contractors come and say, okay, work is done. Are there is loose gravel? Let's clean it up. You go abroad and see there's not even a single loose gravel. They clean up everything because for them road safety is very important and it is the least important for us here in Goa.
So are you blaming the current MLA of this area?
Who's responsible for that?
See,
So
when you ask, when there is a complaint, we put it across to the panchayat. Even 16th of February was our last Gram Sabha. Complaints were put in of the road. Same thing panchayat said, it's been put forward. Documents are getting passed. Last final approval for hot mix or whatsoever is with PWD. That is the minister. He approves whatever sanctioning and the main important documents are left onto him. So if he doesn't come down and see what is this, or if the local MLA is not following up, everyone down the line is responsible, right from panchayat to MLA to the minister level. So who do we target? We are going stepwise. We are going 1, 2, 3, 4. But there is no work being done either way. If you go to see our main highway, also national highway, is in a very bad condition. Who's supposed to do it? When any bridge is getting built or anything, the contractors are supposed to be doing the passage lines. What do you call that? Pavement. When you say that the people who move when you dig up a road and you move on sideways, those roads have to be done by the main contractor. That is the
Service road. You're
service.
talking-
Yes, sorry. Service road has to be done by the main contractors. Right from Kotalni to you come to Agasai, those roads are in such a bad condition. We all ride through it. We all drive through it. To me, person, we all also ride through it. And people are fed up. But who's holding them responsible? Minister Munta, 10 years guarantee. But are first ask the contractors at least to do the service roads,
Local MLA still, in fact, he is holding the revenue entire stress and
You won't believe it. Our own local MLA, who's also a minister for revenue, cycles on this road. So I don't know on what kind of surface road is she cycling on. Is she doing an off-road cycling techniques, or she trying to see that a new cycle is working very well? Because these are the same road. When we do our protest over here, we've seen her go twice on this road. This is recently done. This is just done 2 days back. But she's been cycling day in and day out. But that is the willingness to do. When you're a public representative, when you're an elected representative, I don't think people should come and tell you. It is directly, you can see this. You can see the problem that you're facing because you're cycling on it for an evening workout. And you're just ignoring it. Because others, you take your car out in a fancy, with the best shock absorber that it doesn't impact you at all. But see this our cycleman who just passed by. He faces this problem. People like us who have got bikes, we face this problem. That's why we have to take our car. And petrol prices are increasing. So everywhere we are getting hammered. Because roads are bad, you're riding slow. So consumption of more fuel. So I'm just asking the government is just, come on guys. It's been long overdue of fighting for roster. सारखे तरी कराता नहीं दिया था हमका.
this is the thing, this is a very high time for the public to come out on a road.
2020 elections are not far away. Now if you'll see, all the roads will get done. They wait for 4 years of putting public through such torturous time that that before elections everything will be done. See, Sarkaran sarke bare gela aata. Good job done. But I am also a victim of it. I have a metal plate in my back due to an unpainted speed breaker. There are young boys and girls who have got injured, who have passed away because of an unpainted speed breaker. I know sometimes wearing helmet is mandatory. Children move out. Sometimes wearing helmet also people have died on the road. So just requesting the elected representatives to please be considerate. Just don't wait for elections to come close by and then do the work. It is your responsibility throughout your 5 years. You just have 5 years to do it. This is not a family raj where husband wife stand for campaigning. It is our duty to give our time to the community, our time to do some public service. We all appreciate being in Goa, but how can we contribute our time? By doing social work or taking responsibility, saying, okay, this 5 years I will give in, I will stand for elections. If I win, I will commit this 5 years. No one wants to see like I grow old or become old in this, but it is very important that this is basic. Road is basic need of the people. So just requesting all the sarpanches, all the MLAs, all the ministers, you all in your own constituency, see what your people are going through, and please do this. Safety is the most important thing because everyone doesn't have cars, and a lot of them commute right from north to south on bikes. Especially, I feel so sad for our bikers. That's why day in and day out, you'll have seen me paint speed breakers. For what? Because I like leaving my family out and going out and having fun in the night from 10 o'clock in the night till 4 o'clock in the morning, and then going back on work the next day. Because I am a victim of it, I am doing it. There's a father in Mumbai who lost his son, and he is filling up potholes whenever he gets time because he lost his son. So many of our friends have lost people on the road. What are we doing? Why are we not coming together as a community and start taking action on this? We always crave and feel sorry for our family members where they have lost their lives. But our contribution towards our society after that is what? Zero. Let us come together, let us unite, let us start voicing up because saving a life doesn't cost anything. It just needs a little bit of our time to come to the offices and say, sir, mashe karat. Tari road, rasta sarka na, speed breaker sarke na, signboard sarke na. Give us the basic necessity. Amchach poishe the, amka tari diya safety. Please, do this.
Can you just
Anyone wants extra stones, you can take from here. I can collect all the stones. And this is so bad because it's so dusty. If you can see, right from the stretch from Montserrat's house till this road ends, that is till Santane's touch-up of work has been done. So you can see there'll be loose gravel everywhere, and y'all as media also, y'all ride bikes. You all know how unsafe it is and how the bike shakes. So please, try.
साडी शॉपिंग करपाक आता बेळगांव वचपाची गरज ना. पणजीतल्या बॉम्बे बाजारांत तुमकां दर्जेदार प्रकारच्यो साडयो खरेदी करपाक मेळटा. नवीन व्हंकलेक नववारी असो किंवा उत्तर भारतीय लेहंगा, सिल्क साडी किंवा कॉटन साडी, तुमची पसंत आणि आमचे कलेक्शन. साडी स्वतः खातीर खरेदी करा किंवा गिफ्ट करा. बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जेल रोड, पणजी.